Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. How to export and deploy an OVF template in VMware vSphere 6.5. What is an OVF template? An OVF template is also a master copy of a virtual machine that can be used to create and provision new virtual machines. But this OVF template format is a bit different than VMware proprietary template format, which we have discussed in previous lab. So what exactly OVF is? OVF stands for Open Virtualization Format. It is an open source standard for packaging and distributing software applications for virtual machines. This OVF format is not only used by VMware but also used by other virtualization vendors like IBM, Microsoft, Oracle, Xen for software application distribution in a VM. Now, the best thing about OVF format is that we can make VMs available to users who cannot access our vCenter server inventory. VMs can be deployed from OVF template using ESXi host client itself. It does not require vCenter server for VM deployment. In this particular lab, I will be walking you through step-by-step procedure of exporting and deploying an OVF template in vSphere 6.5 environment. So let's get started. Now let's first log into our vCenter server. So this vcsa-01a is our vCenter server. Provide SSO credentials. Administrator at the rate of vsphere.local is my SSO username. Provide SSO password of vCenter server. Click on login. And now as you could see, we are successfully logged in to our vCenter server. Now I'm going to refer TinyVM01, which is a very lightweighted CentOS VM, which I'm going to refer for exporting and deploying as an OVF template. So how do you export a VM as an OVF template? So to do that, select your source VM, right click on it, and you could see go to template and you could see export OVF template. So basically this is the option which is used to export any of your VM as an OVF template. Now here if you could see both of these options, this particular option is grayed out. Now why this option is grayed out? Because your VM is in powered on state. So always remember, if you want to convert any of your source VM into a template, you have to power off that VM. Once you power off the VM, then only you can convert your source VM into a template. So let me power off this VM. Click on power off. Yes, and now right click on your VM, go to template, and there if you could see now export OVF template. Now as you could see, there is an option export OVF template. So click on export OVF template. Give a name to your OVF template. So I'll give a name, let's say OVF template of TinyVM01. So this is the name of my template. Now the format, which format we are going to use is OVF format. It's open virtualization format. Now there automation annotation, if you want to give any kind of annotation for this particular VM or description, you could mention it here. Now advanced option. Now this you can select the advanced option if you want to include additional information or configuration in your exported template file. So if you click on advanced option, you could see there is an option called if you want to include BIOS UUID, if you want to include MAC addresses information in this template, you can always select these options. As of now, I'll deselect this and check this option. Click on OK. And now as you could see, it has started exporting OVF template. And now as you could see, the bunch of files which are being downloaded here. So the first file, if you have observed, it was an OVF file. The next file is VMDK, and the third file is manifest file. So let's log into the download folder where these files have been downloaded. Right. So as you could see, when you export any of your VM as an OVF template, three files which gets created. So what exactly OVF package contains? An OVF package contains multiple three files in a single directory, and these files are, the first one is MF, which we call manifest files. The second one is OVF file, which is a descriptor file, and the third one is VMDK file, which actually contains your VM disk files. So this OVF file, if you could see, this is the XML file, and you can read this XML file. So just open it up in WordPad. Now, once you see this particular OVF file, as you could see, this is the descriptor file, which gives information about your VM. So, for example, if you could see, it gives you the information about your logical networks. So this VM is having one logical network called VM network. This is the name of your VM, tinyvm01. This is the username and path. This is the description annotation. If you could see for that VM, what we have configured, the operating system, if you could see, it's having a 32-bit operating system, and bunch of information about virtual machine hardware. So this is OVF file is nothing. It's just a XML file, or you could see a VM virtual machine descriptor file. Now, as you could see, exporting any of your VM as an OVF template is pretty straightforward procedure. Now, what is the next thing we need to do once we have a OVF template deploy, OVF template or VM exported as an OVF template? The next thing what we're going to do is basically we want to deploy a VM from an OVF template. Now, to deploy an OVF template, there are two ways to do it. Either you can do it from your vCenter server directly. So you log into your vCenter server like as we are in, right click on your data center or the host. So select any of the data center where you want to deploy VM from this OVF template. Select your data center, right click on it, and you could see option deploy OVF template. You could see the same option if you go to your host, right click on it and deploy OVF template. So either you can deploy VM from OVF template using this vCenter server. And as I said, the OVF template deploying OVF template does not have any dependency on vCenter server. You can do it from your host client itself. So rather than doing it from vCenter server, I'll show you how do you do it through host client. So to do that, let's log into our ESXi host. ESX-018.govmlab.local is my ESXi host, where I'm going to deploy VM from this OVF template. So click a username, give a username as root, ESXi password. And now as you could see, I'm logged into my ESXi host, ESX-01A. Now, to deploy, so basically deploying an OVF template allows us to add pre-configured virtual machine to our vCenter server or a ESXi host inventory. Now we can deploy an OVF template from any local system which is accessible from our host client or web client. So to do that, click on create or register VM, and there is the option called deploy a virtual machine from an OVF or OVF file. Select this option, click on next, give a name of your virtual machine which you are going to deploy from your OVF template. So I'll give a name VM deployment from OVF template. Now here you have to select the files which your OVF package is containing it. So click here to select the files, and you have to select all of the three files. Click on open, and now as you could see, it has selected all of the three files. Select the data store where all of the VM files will be stored. Click on next, select the VM network, select the disk provisioning type, and power on automatically. So once your VM will be deployed, it will be powered on automatically. Click on next, and now as you could see here, you could review all of your VM configuration. VM deployment from OVF, that's the name of my VM. The disk file name is OVF template tinyvm01-1.vmdk, that is my disk file. The VM is going to stored on data store 1 of my ESXi host. Provision type is then I am not changing any network mapping, so it is going to connect to the same VM network, and the guest OS is 32-bit Linux. Click on finish, and now as you could see, the VM deployment has started. And if you click on virtual machines, you could see a new VM is being deployed from OVF template. And as you could see, the deployment has completed successfully. Now, as you could see, the VM has created successfully. Click on console, and now VM is booting up. And now as you could see, our VM is successfully deployed. So this conclude our lab for how to export and deploy an OVF template in vSphere 6.5, where we have discussed about how do we export any of our VM as an OVF template. And then next part we have discussed about how do we deploy a VM from an OVF template. Always remember, deploying a VM from OVF template does not have any dependency on vCenter server. You can deploy a VM from OVF template from ESXi host client itself. Now this concludes our lab. Thank you.